Ever notice your car's sound system losing its punch? When your GM vehicle's speaker starts to fade, it's more than just a minor annoyance. It's a disruption to your driving experience. Imagine restoring that crisp, powerful sound you first loved, making every song feel fresh again. That's exactly what ACDelco GM original equipment car speakers deliver. Reliable, factory-quality sound that fits perfectly and lasts. I recently replaced the blown speaker in my GM vehicle, and the difference was immediate. After finding the exact part number, I grabbed an ACDelco replacement online. Installation was straightforward. No hassle, no guesswork. Once installed, the sound was noticeably richer, clearer, with that deep thump that makes driving more enjoyable. These speakers are built to GM's original equipment specifications, so they fit seamlessly and perform just like the originals. They use a combination of permanent magnets and electromagnets to convert electrical signals into mechanical energy, moving air to create sound that's true to the source. Plus, they're designed for durability, so you won't have to worry about replacing them again anytime soon. If you're looking to bring back the quality sound your GM vehicle deserves, ACDelco GM original equipment car speakers are worth a look. They offer the perfect balance of performance, reliability, and easy installation, all backed by GM's trusted standards. Whether you're upgrading a blown speaker or just want better sound, these speakers deliver what you need without the guesswork. Try them when you're ready, and enjoy music that sounds like it should, clear, powerful, and built to last.